In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch age-restricted videos on a YouTube application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open your browser. Of course, it could be an Opera, Google Chrome, Brave, or even maybe Microsoft Edge, or whatever other browser you could be possibly using. Then you will go here to the URL section and type youtube.com. Of course, if it's your first time, of course, entering this website, this icon of YouTube here will not appear. But if it's not your first time, an icon of YouTube here will appear to you. Then all you need to do, just hit the enter button, and here you are. This is the main screen of YouTube. So here, what would like to actually do is just go and look for a video that is age restricted. So let me just go here and type like, yeah, we already searched that's great. So let's maybe just type car crash accidents plus 18, so we could have some like age restricted videos. So after opening the video, as you can see, if you scroll down here, you'll find here a notice, age restricted video based on community guidelines. Guidelines, of course. The reason why it's age restricted could change. Like, you will not always find this based on community guidelines. You could find other reasons. But if you have this age restricted video and you want to watch the video, as you can see here, I can like watch the video. But if it's not, or if it's your first time watching age restricted videos, you'll here get a notification if you want to succeed. You can just go and click on that. And of course, if you are below 18, of course, you don't need to switch account. All you need to do, just go here to the URL and type, and then has underscore verified equals 1. Then click at enter. That will actually take you into the same video, but now, as if you already have the message age restricted, and you cannot just click at like go next and watch the video. Like, if actually your account is under 18, you don't need to switch account. All you need to do what I said, and you will be able to watch the video. So this will be actually for the video or the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.